help me understand this, please. I got a car that's right behind me, right? Paying respect, but park your car in the middle of the road? Simply open the door up in the middle of the road? I don't get that. On with the review. Hey, welcome to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. I do appreciate you stopping by. I'm gonna head out to Best Buy, right? And I'm gonna see if they got a lens protector, film protector. I know it's gonna cost me about $25, but rather pay 3% to some international fee company and eBay and all that good stuff. At least I'll get something that a major company, major store. I tried to help out somebody today, the other day, and yeah, put a mic muff on. Get a pro mic, a wireless go, in the helmet. I can't afford $79. Well, it's more like $300, and he wants to do 80 plus miles per hour with it. Can't help you on that, buddy. Can't help you on that. I keep down to the limit. Oh, if I told you what I just did, I got gloves on, right? And I am using GPS. Let me show you what I got on. Right here, gloves. And the killer is I use my nose to see if my GPS is on. So GPS is on from now on. My camera's gonna be on and off, on and off, on and off. So, see the miles per hour going. I'll see if quick desktop can do it, and I'll see if the mobile app can do it. Those are geese. Those are ducks. Those are geese. That's a seagull. That's a pigeon. That's a swan. Know the difference of the pheasants and birds. Oh man, what setting am I on? Hopefully I'm on 4K 30 linear. Off I go. Come on, baby, come on. I'll go straight this time. Daniel, over there you got surf, baby, and problem is you ain't gonna see it from this camera. That's sandbar. I've been on that sandbar, trust me, and luckily we got off of it by boat. Tomorrow it's not going to be a nice day, and that's why I'm out. Get out and go see if I can get to that lens protector. That's my mission today, to go check it out. Alright, hopefully I used my nose on the time warp and it worked out. And off we go. Ooh, 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 look at that. Candy apples. Marshmallows with chocolate sprinkles and Reese's. Oh man, I'd rather ride on that street with all that traffic. I chose to come on this side where I need to be at. Off I go, continuing on to where I need to be at. I don't think I'll boat, swim, catch fish in this canal, but in the distance behind that blue building, Yellow Submarine. The Yellow Submarine. When I was younger, this is the place I used to go to hang out in the evening hours, play miniature golf and all that good stuff. They had a good kid rides here, fun for all ages. Oh yeah. So here I am. Let me give you just a little history right here, right? I'm gonna be above water and there's no basements, and yeah, this is above water pier and built. You got Toys R Us, Best Buy, Kohl's, Modell's, a good pizzeria, all that good stuff. All those days are gone. Black Friday is getting ready to be set up. everything is sold out. Film protectors and a lot of stuff. You can see all the TV sets all set up. I just really couldn't film. It was really busy there. Everybody doing their shopping now, because the next week or two, all they got to do is just bring in the coupon and get it reduced. I guess that's the way you shop for Black Friday from now on. Let's go home. No need to go shopping. Do it all online. I think this is the closest I'm going. Right there. Where the three birds are at. Right down there. That's the Yellow Submarine. We lived in. Down one of these blocks is one of the famous pizza places. And here they got a, I guess, free coffee and drinks. Nice to have things like that around the neighborhood and share it to the people, right? So as I head back home, let's continue on. I smell garlic. Oh boy, do I smell garlic. And they got a little fruit market and vegetables. That's nice. Honey, all that good stuff. I'm gonna sit here, just get my candy high, right? Candy apples smell good. Probably gonna be like $4.99. Not going to happen. You think I'm gonna go in here? No way in hell. That's probably $4 a half a pound or per ounce. I gotta watch where I go around people, because I don't look where they walk. Did I just say that right? You know exactly what you said. Did clean up the area. They moved the bumper carts, the little go-karts over here, and they're probably gonna reopen maybe next year. We'll see what happens. And tell me I'm nuts, but people are in the water, and the reason why they're in the water, it's the Polar Bear Club. Do you see the polar bear sign? I go down there and there's Santa Claus. Perfect opportunity to get down there with the bike. Oh yeah. I'll go in. I got no problem. It ain't as cold as it looks, but not worth getting sick the next minute or two and all that good stuff. But that's the Polar Bear Club for you. Oh yeah, nice cool breeze day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's continue on. It's where the Polar Bear Club members only are. Kids, join, be my guest. I forgot to do one thing, guys and gals. Hand my camera over to a polar bear so they could go dunking in the cold water. Yeah. Anyway, had a good time, good video. Made sure it's on 4K linear, 30 frames per second, hyper smooth, and all that good stuff. I want to say thank you very much. Appreciate you coming along. Time to just head home and go enjoy my editing, put everything to my skills. Have a great day. See you all later.